Hello everyone and welcome into the Forest, an Unreal Masterclass focused on forest creation. My name is Michael.G. I'm a senior biome artist and together we will build a complete forest environment from scratch. From the vegetation creation in Speedtree 10 to the final composition in UE 5.6, we create organic textures in Quixel Mixer, distant mountains with Gaea 2, and all the shader needed for visual quality and consistency across the scene. Once everything is ready, we finalize the scene with 4K renders using Movie Render Queue. We begin by creating the structure of the first tree, then we create custom 3D branches that are baked and combined into a single optimized atlas. Once that's done, we create cutout models using Speedtree dedicated tools, finalize the tree, and build several versions at different stages of growth. Then comes the ground foliage and the creation of various models. All the vegetation assets created in this section, from trees to ground foliage, are fully optimized and ready for real-time rendering. All along the course, we built a range of shaders for foliage, water, terrain, path, Megascan assets, and VFX. But the terrain material is the most advanced one, a procedural system that automatically paints layers based on multiple masks is what we built together. And don't worry, manual painting remains available if needed. Alongside this procedural system, we implement advanced features such as distance-based texture scale, texture bombing, dynamic puddles, distant color and normal variations, nanite tessellation support, and automatic foliage generation. Step by step, the scene comes together. Landscape setup, path drawing, vegetation placement, lighting, water, rocks, VFX, and fog. Each new steps build on the previous one, allowing the scene to evolve and improve continuously until the final result. To speed things up, we also create custom PCG tools that help with 3D generation and detail placement. And to finish, we produce 2 cutscenes using the sequencer and render them with the Movie Render Queue. Throughout the process, I shared practical production techniques like creating Photoshop actions that handle repetitive tasks automatically or changing color efficiently. Whenever possible, work is made inside Unreal to keep the workflow fast and consistent. Optimizing mountains, creating path model, or some texture creations are all done directly in NG. Over 57 hours of step-by-step tutorials in 1080p 30 fps spread across 15 downloadable chapters, each including all the necessary resources. If you are ready to build a complete environment and take a professional approach to Speedtree and UE 5, then let's dive into the forest.